Hi everyone, this is Raju from Smart AI Technology. Welcome back. So you will see an application called PAN card verification using deep learning. This application is built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript as the front end, and in the back end we use Flask, a Python API, to build an entire application. So first we'll check how it works. So you can click on the verification button. So you can upload any image with you. So images, I'll go to some real and say I will upload, and when you click on the predict button it should give you whether that is real or fake. Again, if you want to test some other images, you can click and you can upload, and it will say whether that particular PAN card is real or fake. Okay, you can try with fake also. So read an email section, it will say that particular image is fake. So in this work we are actually going to build a deep learning model which can classify what is a fake PAN card or a real PAN card. So once we do that using a deep learning model, in our case we used a ResNet 50, okay, as a transfer learning model. We use that and we trained it by using some fake and real data sets of PAN card, okay, and then we used it and integrated with the Flask and HTML code, and we done this application. So first of all, we'll understand what is the importance of this. So there are so many services which depends on the person's data. They will take the person's data, they will provide, sometimes they will provide uh, loans, sometimes they will provide some services, free services, like that. But when there are like these services, there is a possibility that people are going to fool those companies by providing the fake data. So so to avoid them, what if we can, okay, what if we can build and have a model which can do verification. Okay, in case there are some data, it's very easy for a person to verify manually, but when the data is very used, it will consume a lot of time and also human resources. It's not good for any company. So that's a specialty of artificial intelligence or machine learning, where it should reduce human work. So it will be one of the very good project for any engineering student to his final year career. So where you will be learning the entire application building in AI and ML. Okay, it starts from beginning to till end. You can even deploy it to any servers. Okay, this is a complete website or web application. You can deploy anywhere and you can get the results. So if anyone are interested in this thing, let us know so that we can provide you the code and we can help you to execute it. You can get the help of it. Okay, thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe, like our channel, and support us further. Thank you very much.